Hey guys, what is up? I'm here at AF1 Racing in Austin, Texas. Gonna do a little filming of the Aprilia RS 660 factory edition. I'm not gonna ride it, I just wanna check it out because it's got a full system on it and I wanna hear what it sounds like. Probably sounds really cool. I just started filming a little bit, but it started to rain. It's like a sun shower. There's like no, just blue sky and white clouds. So I don't know, this will stop quickly, I hope. Got a little wet. Oh well. Well, that sounds nice. It's got the full system. Looks like titanium to me with all that bluing going on there. It's nice all the way into the SC Project slip-on. Sounds perfect. So if I bought one of these, that's what I would do because that would sound really nice. This is the factory edition, so it also has the Olin suspensions, Brembo brakes, nice slip-on. So it comes with this really cool, and in my opinion, necessary quick shifter. That's really nice. It's quick, very smooth as well. This is AF1 Racing's demo model, so very cool. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for that quick look at the Aprilia RS 660 factory. Very cool bike. See you guys next time. Later.